How to make money with photography? Make money online by taking photos. Did you know thousands of photographers are making thousands of dollars every day by selling their photos online? If you are serious about making money with your photography, then look no further. We give you foolproof, step-by-step instructions and list of companies guaranteed to earn you money. When you join us, you will get paid an average of $2 to $5 per photo. But you can earn up to $25 per photo. And up to $200 for 4K photos. Upload and sell as much photos as you want. Work as much or as little as you want. Set your own working schedule. Make money no matter where you are in the world. No experience needed to join. With our help you can sell your photos to millions of potential buyers. You would be able to instantly sell your photos to potential buyers that need photos for websites, magazines, books, catalogs, ads, and many other uses. There is no limit to how much you can earn with your photos. Your hobby can be your instant career. You don't have to be a professional photographer for this job. All you need is a camera, the drive to take beautiful photos, and then click your way to earning money. You're just one click away from success. Click the link in the description and start making money with photos.